Well, tight game and a really great defensive played game for both teams.
From both teams, yes, from both teams. Defense was in the first plan from both teams. We know everything about Njarovic, they know everything about us. It's all about details, and both teams, were come tight in the game. For us, big loss was Kevin, because he was all last quarter out, especially in the moments when we have a run. Very good run. I think with Kevin we will win this game for sure. But strange decision. I need to check again. The ref Ragi convinced me that he noticed that this, kick or whatever was, with purpose. I need to check the tape.
If it was with purpose, it's an automatic ban, and that will surely be hard for you in the home game on Sunday.
Yeah, it's going to be hard. Even with Kevin, it's hard. Without Kevin, it's going to be more hard, but we still believe that we can win. And I'm counting on the energy of my domestic guys.
And we did see, really, they took a step up, because Kevin was kind of, was his best quarter, the third quarter, yes. And well, you didn't give anything in the fourth quarter. It was a close game.
Yeah, but like I say, other guys step up, domestic guys step up, Maybe our percentage for shot was not the best in this game. We missed a lot of open shots, and we're counting on those shots that's going to happen in the next game.
Thank you, Borja, and good luck.
Thank you very much.